Okay, so we're going to start off with the installing of MySQL Administrator. As I've said, you can use any other program of that kind. We're just used to working with MySQL Administrator, that's why we're installing this one. So you just need to find it in Google, its official site. Okay, and you need to download this one, the GUI tools. So you're clicking here. You should probably see this link as well. Okay, it's just the latest version for Microsoft Windows, at least for us. So you need to get the installer. So you download the files. So for now, it's just a standard installation, nothing special about this one. So just next, you're accepting the agreements, folder, and the complete installation. So this one is finished, and you can find it in the installation folder, which was written. So this one is it, and the administrator, the program, is this one. Okay, so as I said, just a standard installation. The same thing is for FileZilla as well. You just need to find it. Okay, just from the official site, you need to download the client version. You just download it, install it as well, just a standard installation, nothing special about it. Okay, everything here. Okay. This is the FileZilla, as well as MySQL Administrator. This is just a program that we are used to working with, so you can use any kind of program from this kind for. So it doesn't matter actually. So the last thing that we need to install, this is a bit more specific, is the XAMPP. So we are using XAMPP 723. Okay, you need to find this site here and download. This one is going to download the latest version of it. We are using Windows, so we are downloading the Windows version. Okay, saving it as well. And when it's all done, just need to start it. Clicking yes. Okay. Here we click next on the first step, and from here we only need Apache, the MySQL, and the FileZilla. So just click those, and as well we need those two and phpMyAdmin. So we don't need those two again. So after this, we're clicking next. This is the folder where it's gonna be. Next. We don't need that. Okay, next again, and it's starting to install. We're just waiting for it to finish. Okay, so it's almost finished. If while installing there are some pop-ups or anything, you just click yes or next or just allow everything. So it's okay. Now it's installed. So we're just clicking finish. We're choosing language. I, for myself, prefer English, so I click save. And there it is. We're just opening it by double clicking on it. Well, it takes its time, so you need to be patient with it. Come on. Okay. Okay, so from here, as you've seen, because we didn't want those two, we only have the Apache, the MySQL, and the FileZilla. So we need to start them. Starting off with the Apache, just clicking start. Okay, once it's green here, you can now start the MySQL. Okay, and again, once it's green, start with the FileZilla. Okay, if you have the checkboxes here, you just check them for those three services, so they can be used as Windows services. Here you can see the ports. So we would need to open port 80, port 443, and port 21 for the FileZilla. Only those three, the 80, 443, and 21. I'm going to write them to you as well. We should not open the MySQL port here, so just those three. So now you need to go to config and just check the checkboxes for Apache, MySQL, and FileZilla and save it. That would auto start them every time. So this is for the installation and configuration of the XAMPP and with the FileZilla and MySQL. So this is just the first video. I'm going to show you how to configure everything in another video as well.